Hey girlfriends, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Today is Tuesday, so it is Cash Stuffing Tuesday. Let's see how much money we actually have. Before we go ahead and get started, I will let you know we do have some Happy Mail. This is from the Pen Pal group that Amanda created, Budget with Amanda. And Anna is another person that was added to the group, which is so exciting. But let's go ahead and count. We have 20, 10, 20, 35, okay? We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. By the way, guys, don't forget to 10, 20, oh my gosh, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah, okay. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So every like means a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. 10, 10, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Plus 22. So we have 127 to cash stuff today, which is so exciting. Don't forget, like I said, to give me a thumbs up so my video can go out to everyone else in the community. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm very close to my 4,000 hours, so if you can help me with that, that'll be amazing. But first thing first, I'm gonna do the Happy Mail and then we're gonna do into the cash stuff. And you guys, I usually post every morning, but today I was running late. Oh my goodness. Let's do Amanda first. I already opened it from the back, just cut it, but I have no idea what's inside. So let's, oh my gosh, utterly awesome. If you don't know, Amanda loves otters, and I'll be honest with you, they're so stinking cute. When we went to the Georgia Aquarium, oh my gosh, it was so much fun to watch them move so much. They move so fast too. All right, first thing first is you have a little sticker that says your only limit is your mind. And oh my goodness, that is so true. So true. All right, so the utterly awesome, in her username is Anna Banana Budget. Okay, so I've heard from her because of Amanda and I think someone else. So I have to definitely find her and search her up. Anna Banana Budget. So the sunglasses, you can make them however amount you want. And then we have don't choose favorites. Every tooth deserves to be flossed. That is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, coffee. I love you more than coffee, but not always before coffee. Okay, yes. And each of them are $2. And then the banana over budgeting. Bananas over budgeting. Roll and save. Oh my gosh, bananas over budgeting. For real. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Anna Banana Budgets. Thank you, love. Thank you, thank you. I'm excited that you are in the Pen Pal group. Awesome. All right, next is Amanda, Budget with Amanda. She told me she created something for me. She's like, I said, no, you like it so much. So she's like, I created something for you. All right, thank you for supporting my small business stickers. So cute. Okay, here we go. One, I thought it was cute. One, I thought it was cute. Okay. Okay, let's see. Sorry, guys. I'm a little bit all over the place right now. I feel like it's so weird to post videos in the afternoon, but hey, so I'm about to get into the story why I'm posting right now. I just got off work, by the way. All right. So cute. Here we go. You're my sunshine. Okay, save amount shown. Okay, from Safe and Sour, 1, 3, and 2. Those are very doable. Oh my gosh, Budget with Amanda. Look at the cute little freaking dino. I love it, and it's purple, my favorite color. Okay. Oh my goodness. Hello Kitty, save 18. She told me she made some Hello Kitty challenge because I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty, okay? First thing first, that's something about me. Oh my goodness, Amanda. Egg challenge is a duo pack, and camping challenge is a set of 3. Okay, nice. Okay, currently unreleased. Okay, guys, so those are going to be coming soon to her, I believe, Etsy shop. If not Etsy shop, Ko-Fi. Maybe to her Ko-Fi, I think. Ko-Fi shop. Okay, so check her out, guys. Okay, the eggs are broken and they are $2 each. Ha ha ha, you crack me up. Oh my gosh, Amanda. So you can make this as low as you want. And then Adventure Money. Okay, you can make them as low as you want as well. Oh my gosh, Amanda, thank you. I'm excited to use them. I love it. Oh my goodness. So guys, check her out. Egg Challenge is a duo pack, and the Camping Challenge is a set of 3. So it is currently on release, but it's coming soon to her Ko-Fi shop, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Love the little paper clip. I love using that. So we'll definitely put that to use. Thank you. So excited for that. This is the March Paul Pin group thing. So that's exciting. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get started to our binder. Here is the Bill and Red binder. So guys, today I was unable to do my cash stuffing in the morning, and that's the reason because 1, my phone died, I didn't put it to charge, and my alarm didn't go off. Usually I wake up an hour earlier to do my videos when it's my day off from taking Eric to school. I sleep in, right? But still, I always wake up an hour early. And yeah, that didn't happen. So all right, Alabama Power is gonna get $10. So that didn't happen. And so next thing you know, I'm getting ready, and then my phone was dying. Well, it died actually, and my stepdad texted me maybe like 30 minutes prior to me waking up. Eric's bed is gonna get 10, and he said, hey, can you come pick me up at the not the dealership, at the body shop? We have the car here, and they're not gonna give it to me until later afternoon, and your mom is busy making tamales. And I'm like, oh my gosh, gas is gonna get $10. And I'm like, oh my goodness. I'm like, hey, I'm almost done getting ready, I'm on my way. So here I go. He's like 20 some minutes away. Insurance is gonna get 10. I was about to say internet. And so I'm like, I'm on my way there. So I didn't get to pack any on my Etsy order, and which I have a goal of 10. So if you want to support me, go ahead and do so. And then besides that, internet now is gonna get 10. And then besides that, I was like, oh my goodness, I'm on my way. So I went with Dylan, and I pick him up, drop him off, and off to work I go. So I was like maybe 10 minutes late to work, but that's okay. Alex knew that I had to go do that. All right, and rent is gonna get 20. So I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe this is literally happening. All right, rent is the one that has the highest, which is 500. We have 50, 70, 90, 110. So we have 110 on rent, and we have this whole month. So if you're new here, hubby and I do 50 and 50 when it comes to rent and bill, and that's everything that I help him out with. Everything else he pays for. So like food, groceries, any activities that we may do and stuff like that. So yeah, there is that. So if you're new, we do that. That's just how it works. All right. And you guys, this morning was so beautiful, and I was like, I'm so excited to come back after work and record a video. Well, we were getting a thunderstorm, and the wind is just ridiculous. It's like 40 miles per hour right now. I will post a little clip that I took when I was coming home, and I'm like, in less than 30 minutes, it got extremely dark, and I was like, oh my goodness. I'm like, what is going on? And so I told hubby, oh my gosh, we're gonna do a 5. This one's also available on my Etsy shop. And I told my husband, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm like, the wind is taking me away. But just kidding, you guys. On the good day, I'm 145. On the bad day, I'm 150. Back in the old days without kids, I was 109. Yeah, that wind would have taken me away, okay? So, hey, you know, I'm Hispanic, and you know Hispanic food, all you do is basically cook everything on oil, a lot of grease, and you know, we eat good. It's hard to be on a diet. I've tried it before, but it's hard, but I need to now, because trust me, my body ain't looking good. My body's looking like a jello. But anyways, we have $6 to catch stuff on this one. It's also available on my Etsy shop. So yeah, I was like, oh my goodness. And then I told you guys on Instagram, I'm like, hey guys, I will post a video later afternoon because, you know, I was not able to do it. Well, now guess what? I'm home after an hour and something of being home. Our internet went off. So hopefully I'm able to post the video with my regular internet from my phone. So I'm like, oh my goodness. If it's not one thing, it's another. So there we at. I'm like, what a crazy day. So yeah, so who knows how work is gonna be. Usually I'm never off in the afternoon. This one we're gonna do a 5. I'm never off in the afternoon, guys, but this time I am. In changing things around, it's okay. All right, this one is gonna get $5 for my oh my goodness. Okay, this one's gonna get $5, like I was saying, for the mythologist. So there's that. We're trying to stretch our money as much as we can. Okay, and then this cute little Happy Mail fund is gonna get a $5 as well. I'm trying to add as much as I can before the 19th because Fancy Dollar is gonna release some amazing product that I love her products, especially the Hello Kitty ones. I'm like obsessed. I'm like, girl, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, awesome sauce. Okay, we're trying to stretch our money out here, guys. Let me know, do you guys have anything fun this week? What are we doing for this week? Let me know. Okay, we're gonna do our first $5 on our cute little bunny and ducky challenge here that I created for my Etsy shop. Super cute. All right, the first $5, and then we're stuck with ones. We have a lot of ones. Oh my goodness. This one, the Hello Kitty one, little bookmark, it's basically my priority, but for today, guys, it's not gonna get anything, which is so sad, but it's okay because there are 37 to 38 each little thing, so that's okay. All right, our first one for the Lilo and Stitch. It is so freaking cute. We're gonna do the $6 one. The $6. You guys, I love the little Lilo and Stitch. Do you guys know that there's gonna be a new one coming? A new movie is coming, I think, what, during summer? I can't think. But it's a new movie coming. The Lilo and Stitch is coming. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like, yes, yes, yes. I'm excited. So I'm excited to see that. We are all excited. Eric is excited. Hubby is excited. And we're like, yes. All right. Eric is going to get 1, 2, and 3. $3 for Easter. Easter is mainly for his birthday, you guys. His birthday's coming on April, and it always falls like during that Easter thing. So we do sometimes Easter theme. So there is that. All right, we're gonna do the Hello Kitty. This Hello Kitty, we're gonna do a $2 for the Hello Kitty that's also available on my Etsy shop, you guys. Super cute. I love it. It's like in the vellum. It's not available with the envelope. I hope the camera is doing justice, you guys. I don't know how the camera is doing because I know the reflection through here. I don't know how's that going right now, but hopefully it's not that bad. I'm so sorry. I usually try to do natural lighting because I love the natural lighting. It's not the same with ring light, or at least with my ring light, but there is that. All right, let's see. Can we do my birthday? No, my birthday is too high, so skip birthday. Let's see for Christmas. Do we have anything for Christmas? Yeah, we can do it $3 for Christmas. So why not? Let's do it $3 for Christmas. We're almost done with this one. Guys, I'm starting up my Christmas challenge since January because, girl, Christmas be sneaking up on us. And then next you know, you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta get this person now a Christmas gift that I was not expecting or something like that. There's always something. So I'm like, better be safe than sorry. All right, now for the savings, Dylan is gonna get $3. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to bump on you. I got sunshine. Okay, guys, I'm feeling a lot better. Finally, today is the only day that I feel a little bit better. We got $3 as well for Eric. And I've been feeling like doo-doo this past whole week, especially in the morning and afternoon. That's when it hits me. And Alex is gonna get $3 too. And I'm like, oh my goodness, when am I gonna catch a break? Okay, there we go. Supposedly it's like a little virus, whatever. And I'm like, okay. Ooh, my envelopes are getting thick. Okay, there is that. Awesome sauce. Okay, now we have some money left over. We don't have much, but we sure do have some. And we're gonna do this one right here, Drip by E, also known as Erica Black and Blue. We're gonna do our Christmas challenge. We are here. Let's see how much we have. So we got 1, 2, and 3. Hey, look. everyone got a little bit of love. That's all that matters. So we got $3 going into our little baggie, and then we're now gonna get our little marker. Okay, so $3. That's okay. Okay, so here's 1, 2, and 3. All right, look at that. Awesome sauce. Okay, guys, well, I hope you appreciated this video. I'm so excited that you were here. I made it to you guys, because I was like, there's no way, Jose, I'm going to miss a day. I'm like, no, we're working hard with those hours, and I'm like, no. Alrighty, guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Freaky Wednesday. Bye. Have a lovely afternoon, night, whenever you're watching. I don't know. And thank you so much for stopping by today. I love you guys. Bye.